journey to create a $50,000 Rolex begins here, with 400 ounces of pure gold.
12.4 kilograms of pure value, verified and ready for transformation. The first transformation requires extreme heat, nearly 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. At 1950 degrees, pure gold becomes liquid fire. Precision pouring transforms liquid gold into standardized ingots for watchmaking. As the gold solidified, the alloy ratio is perfected, 18 carats for optimal strength and beauty. Robotic precision handles each ingot, ensuring zero contamination and perfect transfer. 300 tons of hydraulic pressure begins the journey from ingot to... Each pass through the rollers reduces thickness while maintaining the goldness by precise increments. Laser measurement confirms thickness tolerance within 0.08 of a millimeter. Annealing at 1200 degrees restores controlled cooling, prevents stress fractures, ensuring uniform material properties throughout. Precision alignment ensures each stamped component meets Rolex exacting tolerances. Precision. Each blank is hand inspected before proceeding to three-dimensional forming. Forms flat gold into a three-dimensional case form. Automated transfer systems ensure consistent handling and zero contamination between processes. Computer-controlled milling creates the case's iconic architecture with tolerances measured in microns. Emerging from the CNC machine, the case reveals its sculptural form. 40,000 vibrations per second purify every microscopic surface.
Hand polishing each case achieves the mirror finish Rolex is renowned for.
Every case passes inspection by master watchmakers with decades of experience. The movement, composed of 187 components, represents hundreds of hours of precision engineering. Tolerances measured in thousandths of millimeters ensure perfect alignment between movement and case.
200 bar of pressure compresses the gasket, creating a hermetic seal rated to 100 meters depth.
Sapphire crystal, second only to diamond in hardness, protects the dial while maintaining perfect transparency.
Ultraviolet light bonds the crystal permanently, ensuring a waterproof seal that will last generations.
The twin-lock crown system employs dual gaskets, securing the case against water intrusion. Laser welding joins each bracelet link with micron-level precision, invisible to the naked eye.
The bracelet attaches with spring bars, allowing future adjustment while ensuring secure wear.
Assembled and complete, the watch represents over 200 hours of skilled labor.
Every dimension is verified against exacting specifications, tolerances within hundredths of a millimeter.
Pressure testing to 100 meters simulates deep water conditions, verifying the hermetic seal.
8 seconds at depth with zero bubble formation confirms certification standards exceeded.
Depressurization complete, the watch emerges proven waterproof and ready for the next verification. Thoroughly dried and polished, the watch proceeds to its most rigorous test, chronometric precision.
Chronometer testing measures precision across 6 positions and 3 temperatures over 15 days, but we observe the first position here. Beating at 28,800 times per hour, the movement achieves certified chronometer status with a deviation of only 2 seconds per day.
6 positions test the movement's consistency regardless of orientation. Crown up, down, left, right, dial up, and dial down. Presented in its iconic green box, the watch is ready for its new owner.
From 400 ounces of pure gold to a $50,000 masterpiece of horology.
This is where patient craftsmanship meets industrial precision, where time itself is manufactured, one watch at a time.
In the heart of Switzerland, where precision is culture, Rolex continues its legacy of horological excellence.
A moment of acquisition, where months of craftsmanship meet years of anticipation.
187 movement components, 12.4 kilograms of gold transformed, over 200 hours of human skill.
Every detail engineered to perfection, from the sunburst guilloche to the applied hour markers set by hand. The movement, 187 components working in perfect harmony, beating 28,800 times every hour indefinitely.
Ingenieur, the journey complete. 12.4 kilograms of pure gold, transformed through 200 hours of human expertise into
$50,000, the price of perfection, the cost of heritage, the value of time itself.
the final fit, adjusted precisely to the wrist, where it will mark every important moment for generations to come.
A Rolex is never just purchased, it is acquired, worn, lived with, and eventually passed down.
From the factory floor to the wrist, the journey of a Rolex, engineered to precision, built to last, destined to endure. Time continues its endless march, measured now in 20,800 beats.
Rolex. Perpetual excellence.
While one masterpiece completes its journey, countless others continue theirs in workshops around the world.
4 master watchmakers, 4 watches, each receiving identical care and precision.
Every link individually measured and adjusted, ensuring the bracelet drapes perfectly on any wrist.
Laser precision cuts dial blanks with tolerances invisible to the human eye.
18-karat gold, precisely 75% pure gold, alloyed with copper and silver for optimal strength and color. The signature sunburst dial, stamped with 50 tons of force, creating the radial pattern that captures and plays with light.
20 individual components inspected before assembly, each verified against micro tolerances. Screen printing applies text and logos with registration accuracy within 20 microns.
Robotic precision places each hour marker with absolute accuracy, verified by computer vision to sub-millimeter tolerance. 26 individual lubrication points receive exact quantities of synthetic oil, each drop measured in thousandths of a milliliter.
The rotor, using gravity and wrist motion to wind the mainspring automatically, providing up to 48 hours of power reserve. Wound to maximum capacity, 48 hours of autonomous operation from a single full wind.
8 independent inspection stages, each watch examined by multiple specialists, ensuring absolute perfection before certification.
Ultraviolet inspection verifies luminescent material application, ensuring visibility in darkness for decades to come. Electronic timing verification measures accuracy to 1/10 of a second per day across multiple positions.
40,000 ultrasonic pulses per second purify every microscopic surface, even inside hollow bracelet links. Professional documentation captures every angle for global marketing and client presentation materials.
The audio is characterized by a busy...
Instant exposures combined create a single image with impossible depth of field, revealing every microscopic detail from crystal surface to dial center.
Each presentation box receives documentation, polishing cloth, and warranty materials before the watch is placed inside.
The final human touch, placing each watch with the care it deserves,
completing the journey from raw material to luxury timepiece ready for its new owner.
From this facility, watches travel to authorized Rolex boutiques in 100 countries across 6 continents. Automated systems track each watch from factory to boutique, ensuring secure delivery and complete traceability.
Climate-controlled transport maintains optimal conditions, protecting each timepiece throughout its journey to authorized retailers worldwide. Beginning the final leg, from Swiss precision to global presence, each watch embarks on its journey to boutiques bearing the crown. Arriving at authorized boutiques, each watch undergoes final verification before entering display inventory. Displayed under spotlight in authorized boutiques, each watch awaits its destined owner among clientele who appreciate true horological excellence.
In boutiques worldwide, customers experience watches firsthand, beginning relationships that often span generations.
The moment of decision. 48,000 Swiss francs for a lifetime of precision engineering and enduring value.
Transaction complete, not merely a purchase, but an acquisition joining an exclusive community of Rolex owners worldwide. Presented with the same care it was crafted, the watch, its documentation, and the beginning of a legacy. From the boutique to the wrist, from this moment forward, a companion for life's significant moments.
Against the backdrop of Geneva, home of precision watchmaking centuries, a Rolex continues its perpetual journey.
8 beats per second, 480 per minute, 28,800 per hour. Perpetual precision marking life's moments.
Geneva, where mountains meet lake, where tradition embraces innovation, where time itself is both craft and culture.
Through boardrooms and celebrations, journeys and milestones, quiet moments and grand occasions, a constant companion.
Years pass, life leaves its marks, not damage, but character. Each scratch a memory.
50 years worn daily, every second witnessed, now passed to the next generation.
2 watches, separated by 50 years, united in design and precision. Rolex perpetual philosophy made tangible.
Across 3 generations, Rolex perpetuates. Grandfather's journey complete, grandson's beginning.
Sculpturates. A new generation begins its journey. Same precision, same values, new dreams. Time perfect.
From depths to heights, from boardrooms to operating theaters, across cultures and continents, Rolex marking
Vives. 187 components, each manufactured to micron tolerance, working perpetually in synchronized precision.
Service centers worldwide maintain Rolex watches across generations. Vintage pieces from decades past restored to original precision.
50 years old, 187 components examined individually. Most original parts still perfect, replacement parts readily available.
50 years apart, identical performance. Serviced vintage watch meets same chronometer standards as brand new production.
Superlative chronometer, not merely meeting standards, but exceeding them. Officially certified, verified by independent authority.
From microscopic precision invisible to the eye, to global presence recognized worldwide. Rolex Datejust. Perpetual. Precision. Excellence.
Filmed over 6 months across 4 continents, with unprecedented access to Rolex facilities and craftspeople.